Hi, I'm Pattu from FreeFinCal. Today, let's discuss an interesting question from a young earner. I'm 22 and started working in an IT company 1 year ago. I save around 50k per month and also have a savings of around 7 lakhs from joining both bonuses, etc. I fall in the 30% tax bracket and my EPF contribution is 4,700 monthly. I have not started investing yet and I'm totally confused about how to start. Should I just buy Nifty Next 50 Index SIP or invest in low volatility stocks? If yes, then how should I allocate each? Also, since PPF rates are going down, how much money should I allocate in ELSS funds, if at all I need to invest there? I need a good asset allocation for the coming years. I heard a lot about goal-based investing in your videos, but the problem with me is I don't have any major financial goal. My sole purpose is capital appreciation. Of investing is capital appreciation. Also, should I allocate some debt or gold in the portfolio? So it's. I mean, it's wonderful to read such a question because the person is asking where to invest before actually investing somewhere. We have a lot of people who will invest everywhere they see and then ask other people what should I do. So it's perfectly okay to be confused before buying any investment product. Many people do the opposite. And capital appreciation alone is enough for investing. However, but the moment we start earning, whether as a employee or as an entrepreneur, whatever, the moment we start earning, we must understand that retirement or financial independence becomes a goal. Automatically, it becomes a goal. So, as long as you don't have any other goal, financial independence is your goal, and you can work towards that. And you all already have a few lakhs saved up, and that's very good. You can use it as your emergency cash reserve. You can take about 1 lakh and put it in a savings bank, then take 2-3 lakhs and put it in a liquid fund, and rest of it you can just spend something nice, buy something nice for your family, buy something nice for yourself, because I mean, this is a time to enjoy. You're not going to be 22 again, ever again in your life. Whether you have a goal or not, an asset allocation is extremely important. And at 22, people would say put 90% equity, 80% equity, and so on. I would suggest you don't do all that. You stick to an asset allocation of 60% equity. See, I have been having 60% equity as a target from age 32, 30, 33, 34 to I am now 46. I've held on to that. So I would suggest there's nothing wrong in it, in holding lesser equity than what other young people would think is right. And it'll be a good balance. It'll give you the kind of cushion, and you will be able to handle losses better. So this 60% for equity, I would suggest you just buy a single Nifty or Sensex index fund. That is enough. Don't get into stock investing now, because it will only distract you, because your main goal at this age should be to learn new skills and build your ability to make more income. So don't get into all that. Also, you don't have to worry about whether I should invest in ELSS or PPF or not. Simply choose the new tax regime. You don't have to worry about ATC at all. You don't need PPF, you don't need ELSS, you can just get rid of all that. It's all done away. So that single Nifty or Sensex index fund is enough. If your EPF is slightly higher than 40% because you have been investing in EPF automatically, then you can adjust it in the coming months with the investment, because you are able to anyway invest 50k, which is good per month. Which is 50k is a very good investment amount, and you should be able to quickly reach 60-40 asset allocation. You don't need any gold separately. This simple portfolio will be very easy for you to manage. Always remember to look at the performance of the portfolio first. Don't say my EPF is giving this much, my Sensex fund is Nifty fund is giving this much. Don't look at the fund level. Look at it at the portfolio level. And whenever there is a deviation by 5%, that is, if your equity allocation goes from 60% to 65%, or it drops from 60% to 55%, you can consider a rebalance. And for this rebalancing, whenever it is first necessary, initially you don't need it, but as and when it becomes necessary, you can include a gilt fund in your equity component for this rebalancing. And that's all. There is nothing more to do. And what I would recommend is have a very long-term vision of what your life is going to be, what you are going to achieve in life, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years time. And one of the most important things, and something that I still try to do, but I don't do it for 1 hour continuously, but I just do it 15-20 minutes here and there. Do nothing for 1 hour, preferably continuously. Do nothing. I mean, just sit and think about your life. Maybe you might think about your dream girl or boy or whatever. That's fine. Your boss may come in and haunt you. That's fine. Whatever happens, just think about. Just do nothing. Let your thoughts wander. Also, you get yourself exposed to diverse topics on the internet, or even in terms of books and so on. Then you'll get a lot of ideas on how to be creative, and how to improve your skills, how to increase your income, and so on. So wish you all the best.